Sharks! Do you know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update.
Hello, hola, and bonjour PBMA families. This is Mrs. Solórzano with your weekly update for the week of September 5th, 2025. We have lots of exciting news to share, so let's dive right in. The mobile dentist visits have been rescheduled. The new dates are as follows. The elementary campus will be on Wednesday, September 10th and Thursday, September 11th. The secondary campus will be on Friday, September 12th. Thank you for your patience and understanding. We've got something fun coming up. Dot Day is Monday, September 15th. On Dot Day, everyone is invited to show off their creativity by wearing dots or polka dots. You can wear a dotty shirt, fun socks, a bow, or even a cool accessory. Just remember to keep it school appropriate and follow the dress code. Let's fill our school with dots, spots, and lots of positivity. Mark your calendars for Saturday, September 20th at 8:30 a.m. for the International Coastal Cleanup at Lantana Beach. Don't forget, all participants must sign the waiver to join. Please pick up your waivers at the front desk of each campus. Let's show our shark pride and help keep our oceans clean. There will be no school on Tuesday, September 23rd in observance of a fall holiday. Here's a message from our awesome elementary school counselor, Mrs. Stein.
Hey Shark families, as we dive into this school year, we know sometimes an absence can't be avoided. If your child does need to miss school, here's what we'll need to get them back on track. A doctor's note is always the best way to excuse an absence. Sometimes a parent note will work too. Just make sure it's signed and sent in right away. This helps us keep records accurate and make sure your child is set up for success when they return. And since we're all swimming through those back-to-school germs right now, let's do our best to stay healthy. Wash hands often, stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, and eat healthy foods to keep energy up. Thank you for helping us keep our shark family strong, healthy, and ready to learn every day.
Here's a message from our elementary school principal, Mrs. Smith.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary principal. I am pleased to announce that we have concluded all of our progress monitoring testing for the first trimester. I'm so proud of all of the hard work from our students, and the test scores are looking good. Parents, please keep an eye out for your child's iReady report and also their PM1 report to see how your child did. A big thank you to all the families who attended our curriculum night event. If you did not attend, please be on the lookout for a Jupiter Ed message from your child's teacher with the PowerPoint presentation. Lots of important information in there. Let's keep up all the hard work and continue to be successful here at PBMA. And students, remember, be respectful, responsible, and ready.
Here's a message from Miss Nathalie about our elementary campus safety patrol.
Hello PBMA families, I'm Miss Nathalie. Chocolate sales will begin next week. Safety patrols are assigned each a box to sell. So have your students bring in $1 to grab a bar and support our safety patrols to their Washington, D.C. trip. We'll also be hosting a safety patrol fundraiser at Chipotle at 4400 Hypalexo Road, Atlantis, Florida on Monday, September 22nd from 4 to 6 p.m. The next day there is no school, so come on out and enjoy dinner and support our patrols.
And here are some elementary campus highlights.
Yes.
Hey PBMA families, come with me to check out our fantastic music class with our amazing teacher, Miss Howell. Hi, Miss Howell.
Hi, Miss Solórzano. How are
class.
you? Hello.
I'm good. I'm so happy to be here. How are you?
We're happy to have you here. We are wonderful.
Wow, you guys look great. What are you holding?
Sticks.
Sticks. What do you do with the sticks?
Making note files.
Note vials. Whoa.
Note values.
Oh, note values.
Note values.
Whoa, can we talk more about note values?
Absolutely. So today we're learning how to play music. And with music, you have 4 different main types of notes. We have our whole note. Everybody say whole note.
Whole note.
We have our half note. Everybody say half note.
Half note.
We have our quarter note. Everybody say quarter note.
Quarter note.
And we have our eighth note. Everybody say eighth note.
Eighth note.
Now, each of these notes have different values. Our whole note is 4 counts. How many?
4.
Our half note is 2 counts. How many?
2.
Our quarter note is 1 count. How many?
1.
And our eighth note is a half a count. How many? Half a count. Good. All right, so we're going to show you how to play a whole note. A whole note gets how many counts?
4.
And we'll use the syllable ta. Ready, go.
Ta.
Ready, go.
Ta.
All right, good job. Next one is our half note. A half note gets how many counts?
2.
All right, we use the syllable ta. Ready, go.
Ta.
Ready, go.
Ta.
Ready, go.
Ta.
Beautiful. All right. Can somebody show me how to do this one? We have rest, which we know that the rest are the same counts. Go, show me. Beautiful. So let's try it. Shh, shh. T, 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 T. Everybody, 2, ready, go. Beautiful. All right, next one. Who can show me this one? Beautiful. Everybody, 1, 2, ready, go. I love it. I love it. Yes. T, 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 ta. 1, 2, ready, go. I love it. You got one? Okay. Ta. T, 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 T. 1, 2, ready, go. All right. I love it. I love it.
Wow, thank you so much for showing us your skills, boys and girls. So do you like music class?
Yes!
So now that you know how to play the sticks, does anybody know how to play a full song? Can you play me a Taylor Swift song on the sticks? Does anybody want to try? What about some Bad Bunny? Let's make a song up right now. Play some sticks for me.
Yep.
Thank you, boys and girls. Great job. Our elementary curriculum night was a great success. Thank you to all our families for your participation and for coming out to meet your Sharks teachers. We truly appreciate you taking the time to learn more about what your students are working on this school year. In Miss Hecker's STEM class, our Sharks in kindergarten and first grade learned about balance. They practiced balancing on their fingers, then used the balance to find the weight of different objects using popsicle sticks as a unit of measurement. Second and third graders learned about the Mars helicopter, ingenuity, and followed the design process to make their own paper helicopters. Fourth and fifth grade Sharks learned about the scientific method by conducting their own investigation, answering the question, what is the most popular letter of the alphabet? In Miss Dormelis's kindergarten class, students got to learn in a brand new way. They took a break from workbooks and tried something new. The students formed collaborative groups and worked on a variety of tasks aligned with our current standards. The kiddos absolutely loved it. They were so engaged and eager to learn. It was amazing to see them collaborating, sharing ideas, and learning from one another. Here are some secondary campus highlights. Students in Mr. Lefebvre's physical education class learned volleyball techniques. They rallied with each other in anticipation of the upcoming middle school girls volleyball season. Let's go, Lady Sharks! The PBMA Middle School Cheerleading Squad has launched their new season with an inspiring tradition led by their coach, Miss Owens. With this meaningful start, the PBMA Middle School cheerleaders are ready to grow, not only in their routines, but also in friendship and pride. Their season promises to showcase energy, dedication, and the supportive leadership of their coach, Miss Owens. The senior class recently took part in an exciting field trip of Margaritaville at Sea Paradise Ship, where learning and fun went hand in hand. From the moment they boarded, the students were filled with energy and anticipation for the day's activities. Upon arrival, students and teachers were warmly welcomed by the ship's crew with refreshing drinks, setting the tone for a memorable day. They even enjoyed a special photo opportunity with the captain, capturing a moment that they will surely treasure as part of their senior year. Throughout the visit, the students engaged in meaningful learning as they met with the ship's officers, who shared insights about navigation, safety, and life at sea. These encounters gave them a deeper appreciation of maritime operations, while sparking curiosity about potential career paths. To recognize their participation, each student proudly received a certificate, a keepsake that symbolized both their learning and an unforgettable experience on board. One of the highlights of the day was sharing a meal together at the buffet, where everyone delighted in a variety of food and a lively atmosphere. Adding a special touch to the occasion, Caleb, one of the seniors, played the piano and serenaded the group, filling the buffet area with music that made the experience even more unforgettable. The students expressed their heartfelt gratitude to the PBMA administration for granting them such a wonderful opportunity. Overall, the Margaritaville trip was a success. It was a heartwarming event that blended learning, fun, and fellowship for the graduating class.
Coach Storkel here. The boys flag football team won their home opener against Somerset Boca on Tuesday 13-7. The Inirio brothers combined for the 2 Shark touchdowns. Alejandro Inirio took a 10-yard quarterback keeper for the first score. Then Alonzo Inirio intercepted a Mustang pass and ran it back for the pick 6. The Sharks ended the game on a goal line stand. What a great way to start the season. On Thursday, the PBMA Sharks took on Somerset Academy Wolves and won again by a score of 25-8. DeAndre Sherrod threw 3 touchdown passes to Alonzo Inirio, Alejandro Inirio, and Mason Cunningham. Derek Jackson also added a rushing touchdown in the Shark victory. The Sharks remain undefeated. Go Sharks!
Thank you, PBMA families, for helping our Sharks be respectful, responsible, and ready every single day. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss an update. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. Goodbye, adios, and au revoir, PBMA families.